Within the range of Legua products we can find the Orange Tree, Homok and Cabraccio sawdust. This sawdust is especially recommended for using with cold smoking techniques. Whenever we talk about cold smoking techniques, we're talking about not going over 35 degrees centigrade. We can use the spiral and the orange wood to achieve a lovely smoked salmon with a characteristical flavour. Also, we can use the smoking pipe to be able to give a smoky effect and flavour to that dish we've already finished. And with the finished box, we'll be able to smoke our favourite fish, giving it a special touch with the wood that we use and with hot smoking. With this Legua sawdust, we can offer to our diners a delightful surprise to the palate.